Hello everyone, I'm Lovable Girl, Simple Deeds, a Filipino from Negros Occidental. Guys, I want to tell you, I want to you a happy Valentine's Day today. So I make something very important, heart to my members, and these people are helping me so much and a lot, and they are the reason why I'm here right now in this room, because they are the one to helping me in this one. So they are my members. Let's one by one calling them. And first of all, my very handsome 81 years old best friend, close friend, and he is Sir Russell Bar. Sir Russell, I know that since you found this channel, you never leave me, or you never leave even once in my channel. You always there, and you are always in my live stream. So that makes you, even now, you are not so much longer here. It's just 10 months, but you are really good heart to me. Thank you, Sir Russell, for supporting me. Thank you for giving me a gift, bukay, and thank you for some foods and everything that you send me. Thank you, Sir Russell. I love you, Sir Russell. This is for you. Happy Valentine's Day. So next, why they are there like that? They are respectful people. They are respectful people. And the next is Sir John Weber. Sir John Weber, happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for being with in my channel, and thank you for the very big help that you are given me when the start of you are founding me in this channel. You are very supportive. Without your help, I don't have bed. I mean, I don't have room. I don't have bathroom. And the most of all is the laptop that you are given to me. Thank you very much, Sir John, for being so kind to me. My thank you is not enough to your help. So anytime you need me, like actually you don't want to get something from me, or there is no change, there is no return, you are helping me with no returns. So I am so very lucky that you are so kind to me, Sir John. You never ask me, you never got interest on me like what other followers do here in my channel. So thank you, Sir John. Love you, Sir John, and this is for you in this Valentine's Day, Sir John. So next, Tess Horin. Tess Horin is an amazing friend, young moderator of Lovable Girl channel since I got 500 subscribers. I found Tess Horin in a young kids, I think, and she is amazing because of her so much super chat and now part of my membership. Because of that, I bought the motorcycle blue, even a second hand, but because of Tess Horin super chat so much, it makes me have a motorcycle. So Tess, God bless you, baby. This is for you. Thank you very much, Tess Horin. Thank you. Next, our new member, new friends, and new member, Sir Graham. Hello, sir. Lovable girl, happy Valentine's Day. So Sir Graham, thank you very much for helping lovable girl. Like, you are sending a lot, even you just new here in my channel. First of all, thank you for my being member in my channel. I'm so glad that so many Filipino YouTuber, you chose me one of a good person. Thank you very much, sir. Hope you continue to love this channel, sir. God bless you. Next. Next is Mikey. the very quiet man in my channel. No. the very long time man in my channel, Mikey Mason. Mikey Mason, I found Mikey Mason he found me, I think it's 200 or 300 subscribers my channel. And until now he's continued to following me. He loved this, I think, this kind of face. Because every time that I can say I'm so ugly, he is always telling me stop it. So I think Mikey is love this face. So Mike, thank you very much for being so kind to me, your super chats and helps, and especially membership. Thank you, Mike. It's been 3 months or 4 months you become my member. So thank you, Mike, for being so lovely man to lovable girl. Keep it up. Thank you. God bless. Wow. There are 2 members. Darrell. I found Darrell when I was in live last 4 months, I think. And he chat me in WhatsApp in a long time. Like, but we are not chatting always, just say hi, hello. And he loved me to be my membership. So thank you very much, Darrell, for even though we very long time we don't have connection in private, but still you are in my member. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Darrell. I hope to see you again. God bless you. Happy Valentine's Day. This is for you, Darrell. God bless. Oh, the last one of my membership is Bible Days. Bible Days is when Bible Days found me, he's a very supportive friends, and he is a very kind Christian, and so quiet in my channel, but I know that he is the one there that watch my channel from the start of my life until 10 hours. Bible days. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. I salute to you. God bless you always. It's this heart is for you. God bless everyone. God bless to you. So, tadako tayo dito sa mga super chats and friends who are so kind to me. So, they are not a member of my channel, but they are so good to me, and they are sending me a super chat or people and everything. So, let's start with the first heart. Ta-da! Who's this? Mommy Joy! Mommy Joy, thank you very much for being so kind to me. Even you have a daughter and I don't have, you still helping lovable girl. Thank you, Mommy Joy. You are forever my best friend. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy Joy. Next heart. Oh. Ano? So, sorry. My next is Roger Hess. Roger Hess, love you. Roger Hess, thank you for being here and being supportive to lovable girl. You always given me a super chat. And thank you for loving lovable girl onto my channel. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. Next, Bruce Wayne. Bruce. Ayay. Bruce, thank you very much. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Thank you for supporting lovable girl channel. Thank you for, you're the one to help in this room also. So thank you for always support lovable girl. I hope you're not tired of helping lovable girl channel. I hope you are not get pest in my channel. Thank you, Bruce. Love you, Bruce. Happy Valentine's Day, Bruce. Ta-da! Court. Court, happy Valentine's Day to you. Thank you for loving me as a friend, no? Because thank you for supporting me twice, and thank you for the gift of 1981 November 25. Thank you. You're amazing. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. Next, ta-da! Tomaso. Wow, Tomaso, thank you for the 3rd times that you are helping this channel. Thank you, Tomaso. Happy Valentine's Day and God bless to you. Love you, Tomaso, from Lovable Girl. Next, G-Man. Hey, G-Man, happy Valentine's Day to you wherever you are. Lovable girls still remember you. Thank you, J-Man, for being so kind to me. Thank you for you are amazing man. I hope you can connect me, even public or private. I hope you are still in my channel. God bless you, G-Man. Love you. Happy Valentine's Day. Next, it's all good. Hi, it's all good. I know you. Thank you for the super chat that you are giving me before. I never forget those people who are giving me a super chat or super sticker. And thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. Next. Oh, the ever-loving outdoor. Thank you very much. Loving outdoor. Thank you. This is for you. Thank you for the love in this channel, and thank you for caring, lovable girl. God bless you. Happy Valentine's Day. Next. Ta-da! Brother Matthew. Wow, Brother Matthew, thank you for being so good to this channel. I know from the first time of my channel you are there. I mean, when I was last year, I know that you are until now you are here in my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being so loyal to my channel. God bless you, Brother Matt. I hope you stay always here in my channel. God bless you. Happy Valentine's Day. Next. Sha family. Wow, Sha family. You are my new friends here in my channel, but you are supportive in Lovable Girl channel. Thank you for the super chat and the super sticker that you are sending in this channel. Thank you. God bless you, Sha family. Happy Valentine's Day. Next. Ta-da! Dirty Dan. Wow. Dirty Dan, thank you very much for being so good in this channel. Like sometimes you want to collect super chat from other friends, but I stop you, no? So thank you for being so kind to Lovable Girl. Thank you. God bless Dirty Dan. Next. Sir Gary. Sir Gary is Joy followers, and he is one time going here to send me a big super chat on my channel. And thank you very much. Thank you for all your kind heart. Thank you. God bless you. Happy Valentine's Day. Next. I'm telling ya, yeah. I'm telling ya, I never forget you. I'm telling ya, I love you, man. Thank you for coming in my channel, and thank you for being so good to me, so kind, and even you don't have, you still given me. And thank you for supporting my channel too. I never forget you, telling ya. Love you, man. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Next, I have two little small one because I don't have this one. So, this is the Dance. Wow. Still Dance. I was remember Dance. He's the good man and a good person in my channel before, but he say bye-bye to me and never come back in my channel. I'm sad because slowly they are leaving me, but you are guys here in my heart. God bless Dance, and thank you for your supporting my heart before, and I never forget you as a good friend of mine. Hope good luck to you for searching a good person. God bless Dance, and enjoy your life. Happy Valentine's Day. This is for you. Next. Ta-da! The last one is ano to? Si William. Ay, Sir William. William Wrestling. Metsupap. His channel is Metsupap. So thank you, Mitsupap, for being here and being so kind to Lovable Girl. Happy Valentine's Day. You are so kind to me, even you are not here already in my channel, but I know that this channel is never forget. You never forget this channel. Thank you for supporting my channel before. God bless you. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. God bless and have a good day to you. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And to those people who are helping me before, you still in my heart, no? But of course, I want to, you want to go away, I let you go away. So happy Valentine's Day to you guys. God bless everyone, and I love you all. Bye bye.